Hi and welcome to the tutorial where we will present the layouts and the UI of DOTEbase. We will show you how you can open different panels and how you can use the predefined layouts in DOTEbase. So imagine that you open DOTEbase and the first thing you will see is a blank or dark canvas as it is right now. So in DOTEbase you have a number of different panels that you can open. We can start out just opening one, and this is the Dote Spaces, and you will see that this is now appearing in front of us. So in the top line here you have all the different panels that you can open, and you can open many instances of the same panel. So we could have one transcript window, we could also have two transcript windows, we could have open the media player, the timeline, and so on and so on. As you can see now, all these panels, they are now stacked into one window, so to speak, and we will try to move these around in a few seconds. So let's just open all of them just to see. We will not open the canvas as this is opening a different window at the moment. And then the tag manager is the final thing. So now we actually have opened two transcripts. You can see up here. We could also have two different transcripts open if we wanted to do that. But the basic principles is that you can open as many panels as you want to. So the thing we want to do now is to move these panels around. Compared to Dote, this was not possible, so this is not a feature we have integrated in DOTEbase. So we could move these panels around. So now you will see that this area is grayed out, and this is where we will move the panel to. So now you can see that we can actually compare two transcripts, and we have two windows open. And we can also start resizing that. So I think I'll move it over here. And then I want the media player to appear as well. So it could appear here. And you can see that the DOTEbase is picking up on places where you can put the individual panel. And we also want the timeline. This is not the right way. I think I want that near the bottom, as this would be a nice place to put it. Oh, this is a bit annoying. And here we go. So now we have the panel, the timeline panel in the bottom. I think that would also be the place for the media organizer to go. So this is the way that we can set up our workspace. So you can really fine tune the way that you want these panels to be presented inside DOTEbase. So there's a lot of different tweaking to do here, and it's really making the most out of DOTEbase when it comes down to that. So we can move around the panels, we can resize them, we can also decide to hide the panel headers if we want to do that. So if we go to layouts, this is really where all the magic is happening. So in layouts, we can hide panel tabs. So now you don't see all the different panel tabs, headers when you look at the panels. So we want to include that again. And then the final thing that I want to talk about in this tutorial is how you use the predefined layouts, and you can also create your own custom layouts. So if you go to the layouts tab, the layouts panel up here, then you can see that we have a lot of default layouts. We have the starting layout, media clipping, transcripts, so on and so on. And then the works, which is really a lot of different panels open at the same time. So if we just go to the starting layout, then you will see the most basic layout that we can imagine. Of course, you can tweak that and set up your own layout, and I will show you how to do that in a minute. But this is really the basic layout. So here we could start working with our data. Play the video and do whatever we want to. So this is really the basic layout. So we have already created some of these default layouts, which we find useful. For instance, for this is the perfect setup for media clipping. We have one for transcript clipping. So you can see that you can really bring the different panels and tools in front of you as you see fit. So this is really the power of the flexibility in DOTEbase, which we really think is a nice feature. We can compare transcripts and so on and so on. So I also said that I wanted to show you how you can save your own custom layout. So if I wanted this tab over here, I could also open the search panel here, and I want that to appear here in the middle. And now I've created my own, so you can play around with that. Then I go to layouts, and then I say save current layout, and then I say Jacob's fave, like that, and custom layout for presenting data, like that. You can figure that out yourself. So now I have a new layout over here. So you can see in the bottom here, you have the custom layouts that you have created yourself. So I can jump back to the starting layout. So this was a tutorial on how to navigate the basic UI. You can see that we have many different panels. We can have multiple instances of the same panel. We can open them and resize them, move them around, and then we can also hide the panel headers. And then we have the predefined layouts where you can really see the benefits of how to use DOTEbase. So stay tuned and learn more about DOTEbase following our YouTube channel. See you around.